Okay, so problem. Find the moment of inertia of a T section with flange as 150 by 50 mm and wave as 150 by 50 mm about the x and y axis through the center of gravity of the section. Okay, so this is size it is given. First of all, I will explain. So which part it is flange. So flange size it is given. What is size of flange it is given? It is 150 by 50 mm. So this one it is 150 by m. This is size of flange. Okay. This size of flange. Okay. So this size it is given 150 by 50 mm. Okay. And second one it is wave size. So this one it is wave size. Okay. So bottom rectangle part it is wave size. Okay. This is a wave size. Okay. So I will divide this is in two parts. One it is flange, that is first part, and second one it is wave. This is second rectangle parts. Okay, I have divided this is in two part, two rectangle parts. This is T section. Okay, so now draw the x-axis and y-axis. Just show the x-axis and y-axis. So this one it is x-axis and this one it is y-axis. Okay, this one it is y-axis and this one it is x-axis. So first of all, calculate the y bar. Okay, we need to calculate the y bar. Y bar. Y bar formula it is y bar is equal to it is a1 y1 plus a2 y2 divided by a2 y2 divided by a1 plus a2 divided by a1 plus a2 divided by a1 plus a2 a1 plus a2. Okay, so a1 means it is area of first rectangle part. Okay, a1 means area of this first rectangle part. So what is area of this first rectangle part? It is 150 by 50. So just write down it is 150 into 50. Okay, this is a1. Then y1 it is measured from the distance. It is measured from the x-axis. First add this one. So 150 plus. I will explain y1 means how much. Here I will explain. Y1 is equal to y1 is equal to. So first of all, add 150 plus 150 plus. It is located at what distance from x-axis? It is located 150 150 mm from the x-axis. That's why 150 plus. So this one it is CG now. Okay, 150 plus CG of this remaining. Okay, second rectangle. That is means 50 by 2. This one it is 50 by 2. 50 divided by 50 divided by 2. 50 divided by 2. So it will get how much? Let's calculate 150 plus 50 by 2 it is 25. It will be 175 mm. Y1 it is 175 mm. Okay, so I will write here y1 it is 175 mm. Then plus a2, area of this second rectangle part. So the area of this second rectangle part it is this one wave. So it is size it is 50 into 150 mm, B into D. So it is 50 into 50 50 into 150 mm, B into D. Then now y2. So y2 it is just calculate y2. Y2 it is measured from the x-axis. So total it is that 150 150 by 2. So this one it is y2. 150 by 2. So this one it is 150 by 2. Okay. So it will get how much? Let's calculate y2 it is 150 divided by 150 divided by 2. 150 divided by 2. So it will get how much? 150 divided by 2. So it is 75 mm. 75 mm. Okay. So write down Y2 here 75 mm. 75 mm. You will get A1 plus A2. Again A1 plus A2. A1 it is 150 into 50 mm. 150 into 50. Then plus A2 it is 50 into 150. 50 into 150. D into D. Okay. So it will get Y bar from this relation. Okay. So just calculate Y bar from this relation. So Y bar is equal to 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 so 150 into 50 into 175 plus 50 into 150 into 75 divided by 150 into 50 plus 50 into 150. So it will get 125 m. So Y bar it is 125 m. Okay. This one it is Y bar. Okay. So now apply parallel axis theorem. Apply parallel axis theorem. Apply parallel axis theorem for I-axis. For I-axis. Okay. We need to apply parallel axis theorem for I-axis because it is unsymmetrical about the I-axis. Okay. When you fold this one, it is T section about the x-axis. If you fold from this center, it will not overlap to each other. Okay. So that's why we need to apply parallel axis theorem. Okay. So now what is this parallel axis theorem? I-axis is equal to Ix1 plus Ix2. 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 I will calculate first Ix. Ix is equal to Ix1 is equal to Ig1 plus this is parallel axis theorem. Ig1 plus AH square. A1 H square. And so it will be A1 H1 square. A1 H1 square. Okay. A1 H1 square. So Ig1 it is. So for first part it is. So it is first it is this one. Okay. Here B it is 150 and D it is 50 mm. So BD cube by 12. Okay. So B it is 150 and D it is 50 mm. BD cube by 12. So B it is 150 into D it is 50 cube. 50 cube. 50 cube divided by 12 divided by 12 divided by 12 plus A1 it is again 150 into B into D 150 into 50. Then H1 it is how much? I will explain here. H1 means what? So we will calculate here. H1 is equal to, you can write H1 it is Y bar minus Y1. H1 it is Y bar minus Y1. Y bar minus Y1. Okay. So Y bar it is 125 minus Y1 it is 150 plus 25, that is 175. So this one it is 175 is equal to, it will get H1 from this 125 minus 175. It will be minus 50. Minus 50. Okay. So actually it is square. It will be get plus 12. Okay. Minus 50 square, it will be plus 50 square. So 50 and write out. Otherwise you can write it is in bracket minus 50 square. Minus 50 square. Minus 50 square. So it will get Ix from this relation. Ix1. Just calculate Ix1 is equal to, write down Ix1 is equal to 150 into 50 cube divided by 12 plus 150 into 50 into 50 square minus 50 square, it will get plus 50 square. So it will be 20.3125. 20.3125 into 10 raised to power 6. 10 raised to the power 6 mm raised to 4. Mm raised to 4. Okay, this one it is Ixx1. Okay, so I will note down Ixx1 value. Ixx1 is equal to 20.3125 into 10 raised to 6. Okay, now calculate Ixx2. Okay, calculate Ixx2 and y bar it is 125. Ixx2, Ixx2, right? Ixx2 is equal to Ixx2 is equal to, so Ixx2, this one it is second. So here it is, yes, see, here it is, B it is 50 mm, B it is 50 mm, BD cube by 12, B it is 50 mm and D it is 150 cube, 50 into 150 cube divided by 12. Because Ixx formula for rectangle it is BD cube by 12. Here B it is 50 mm and D it is 150 mm. Okay, so that's why BD cube by 12 plus A2. Now A2 it is, otherwise first of all you can write down formula Ixx2. For Ixx2 will write formula Ixx2 is equal to Ig2 plus A2 H2 square. A2 H2 square. A2 H2 square. So Ig2 it is PD cube by 12. So B it is here for wave size, B it is 50 mm. Okay. So this one it is second part. This one it is part 2. So B it is here 50 mm and D it is 150 mm. So B 50 into 150 cube. 150 cube. 150 cube divided by 12. Divided by 12 plus A2 it is 150 into 50 into H2 now. So we'll explain H2 how to calculate here. H2 is equal to y bar minus H2 it is y bar minus white y bar minus white. So y bar it is again 125 mm, then minus y2 it is 150 by 2, 150 by 2. So it is 75 mm. 75, so it will be 125 minus 75. So again H2 it is 50 mm, 50 mm. Write down H2 it is there 50 mm square, 50 mm square. Okay, 50 square, 50 square. So from this relation it will get Ixx2. Ixx2 is equal to 50 into 150 cube, 150 cube divided by 12 plus 150 into 50 into 50 square. So we'll get 32.8125. 32.8125 into 10 raised to the power 6 mm raised to 4. So this one it is mm raised to 4. Okay. So now Ixx is equal to Ixx1 plus Ixx2. Like Ixx is equal to Ixx1 plus Ixx2. Ixx2. Okay. So Ixx1 it is how much? Ixx1 it is, we had calculated Ixx1 it is 20.3125 into 10 raised to the power 6 plus Ixx2 it is 32.8125 into 10 raised to the power 6, 10 raised to the power 6. So it will get Ix from this relation. Right on. Ix is equal to, final answer, Ix is equal to 20.3125 plus 32.8125. So it will get 53.125. 53.125. 53.125 into 10 raised to the power 6. 10 raised to the power 10 raised to the power 6 raised to 4. This one it is Ix value. Okay. This is your Ix value. Ix value. So now we need to calculate Iyy. Okay. So now calculate Iyy. So here we don't need to apply the parallel access theorem because it is passing through when you apply the, when you draw the Iyy, it is passing through each section, center of each section. That is means H1 and H2 it will be get 0. Okay. So here what is H1 for Iyy? It is x bar minus x1. So x bar it will be here 150 by 2. That is means how much? 150 by 2 it will be 150 by 2. It will be 75. Okay. X bar it is 75. And H1 it is also 75. So 75 minus 75 it will be gets 0. Here that's why we don't need to apply parallel axis theorem. Okay. So Iyy can directly Iyy db cube by 12. D it is what is? First of all Iyy is equal to Iyy1 plus Iyy2. Iyy2. Okay. So Iyy1 it is db cube by 12. So first what is d here? See here. db cube by 12. That is mean d it is 50 mm for first flange. D it is 50 mm and b it is 150 mm. Okay. So db cube by 12. Formula it is for Iyy db cube by 12. So 50 into 150 cube divided by 12. Okay. 12. So here db cube by 12. Then plus second one it is for wave. So here it is also db cube by 12. So d it is here 150. 150 into b it is 50 cube. 50 cube divided by 12. Okay. Divided by 12. Divided by 12. It will get Iyy from this relation. Okay. Is equal to Iyy1 first calculate 50 into 150 cube divided by 12. So it will be 14.0625. 14 Iyy1 it is 14.0625 into 10 raised to the power 6. Then plus Iyy2 it is 150 into 50 cube divided by 12. So it will be 1.625. 1.625 into 10 raised to the power 6 into 10 raised to the power 6. 10 raised to the power 6. Okay. From this relation it will get Iyy is equal to 14.0625 into 10 raised to the power 6 plus 1.625. So it will get 15.687. 15.6875 into 10 raised to the power 6. 10 raised to the power 6 raised to 4. Raised to 4. Raised to 4. Okay. This is your final answer. I will, okay. I will first check 150 into 50 cap 3 divided by 12. 1.625. Sorry, 1.565. This answer it is actually this one. It is 1.5625. 1.5625. 1.562. 1.5625 into 10 to the power 6. So totally it will be 14.0625 plus 1.5625. So we get 15.625. 15.625. 15.625. This answer it is 15.625. Otherwise, I will write once again. So I y is equal to write down. I y is equal to 15.625. 625 into 10 raised to the power 6 raised to 4. Raised to 4. This is your I value. 15.625 10 raised to power 6 raised to 4. Okay. This is your final answer. Question was find out the I-axis and I-value. So I-axis it is 56.125 into 10 raised to power 6. I-value it is 15.625 into 10 raised to power 6. Okay.